His wife was deceived, but he wasn't. He went into it with his eyes wide open.
There's a thing that's going on, in churches today, especially among the independent Baptists. They're straying from the right way, which is soul winning, which is going out house to house, preaching the gospel, winning people to Christ, preaching the message of believe on the Lord Jesus Christ, and thou shalt be saved, preaching the message of salvation by grace through faith.
Your ability to conjure your own reality as you perceive it to be a very frightening world for people like me, because you see, I'm guided by some codified rules that tell me what is right and wrong. In your world, I'm not so sure I would feel very safe.
Well, you would see that's your problem. You have, in the satanic world of the future, Christian churches will be allowed to continue because they pose no threat to us. We don't need Christianity. Christianity needs us. The satanic world of the future, Christian churches will be allowed to continue because they pose no threat to us. We don't need Christianity. Christianity needs us.